Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blox World. First, download the free application and create your account. You can immediately begin customizing your avatar with countless options, like changing outfits or body proportions. Then, dive into the main hub to explore different worlds and discover exciting minigames. It's a fantastic way to start your adventure and meet new people. Blox World offers extensive tools to express your creativity. Beyond basic customization, you can design custom character faces using the face painting feature. Even more, use motion capture to bring your avatar to life with your own movements. You can also build your own unique worlds and integrate fun minigames, like a quick game of rock, paper, scissors, for others to enjoy. Connecting with others is a core part of Blox World. The platform features real-time chat with automatic translation, making it easy to communicate with players globally. You can join public discussions, create private messages, or participate in interest-based groups. Explore countless user-created games and experiences, from puzzles to role-playing scenarios, ensuring endless fun and discovery. To enhance your Blox World journey, you can earn Robling, the in-game currency, by watching short advertisements or completing various tasks. This currency allows you to acquire extra customization items and resources for your creations. Stay updated and get exclusive rewards by following Blox World on social media platforms. Engage in community projects to collaborate and build amazing new experiences together.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.